Erickson doesn't restrict his tractor collection to only Farmalls. This is a rare 1937 McCormick Deering Orchard 12 model. He told us it was more similar to the more common W12, but there are some significant differences.
Difference between this one and a farm one, the farm exhaust would go up. This one here for orchard, the muffler goes down. And one small change to it, a choke always pulls out to choke the tractor. This one here you have to push in so it wouldn't hook in a branch and pull it so it would choke and stop on you.
The O-12 came from Washington State, where it was discovered by a friend of Erickson's who had also helped to find a number of his Farmalls. He said the 4-cylinder International engine was in reasonably good shape when he acquired the tractor, but the rest of it needed quite a bit of work.
The biggest problem with it was for a while, these here have got a fuel pump where most of them are just overhead drained down, and so I had to overhaul the fuel pump, and the fenders were in tough shape and they're heavy, so I bent them out probably the best as I could.
Since this is an orchard tractor, the operator sits quite low to keep from getting hit by branches as much as possible. The seat itself is adjustable.
To get on it, you would have to get in here like this and flip the seat down and then get down in here so that you could operate it like that there.
Because the operator is in a very confined area, the controls have been positioned accordingly. Most tractors of this era had foot clutches, but the O-12 is equipped with a hand clutch.
If something did happen, you could get hold of it where if a tree or something come and hit your foot, you wouldn't be able to get it stopped. So anyway, it's got a hand clutch for one safety rule, and even to lock the brakes, the brakes lock every time you push on them, and then it's got a cable running up to the top so that you can push the brake a little bit and unlock it, where most tractors you have to lean down and do that.
Here, Erickson is working on another restoration project for his growing tractor collection, a Cockshut 80.